Hello and welcome. This is Gord Lemon for GoodMortgageRatesCanada.com, where my second opinion will save you thousands. You know, repairing your credit score is a major thing that many people have to go through. And today I have a top 11 list of surefire ways to improve your credit score. And in typical Letterman fashion, we're going to start at 11. So number 11, keep your balances low. So if your balance is hedging up towards your actual limit, that is bringing your score down. So you want to keep your balances below 80%, ideally below 50%, and in a perfect world, below 10 or 20% will improve your credit. Number 10, pay all your obligations on time. Even if it's a $20 minimum payment, please pay that on time. If you let it go 30 or 60 days, it's looking badly on your credit score, and it will look the same as if you've missed a $200 payment. Number 9, use department store credit cards sparingly. Use them when you're rebuilding your credit because they're easier to get. But once you've built your credit up to a certain point where you can qualify for a Visa or MasterCard, then close the department store cards and just use the Visa or MasterCard. Don't go get big loans when you've already applied or been approved for a mortgage. A lot of people, once they feel that they're going to get the property, they go and they want to put a nice car in the driveway or furnish the place, and they go out and get these loans or leases, and then a day before the bank advances you the money, they have a look at what's been going on, and if they see something like that, they won't advance the money and you won't get your new home. Number 7, check your credit regularly. You can check your credit on your own without hurting your own credit score. So you can do that regularly. It's updated every 30 days. I suggest every 30 or 60 days that you check your credit on your own. You can go to Equifax.ca and do that. Do not get the monthly Equifax or TransUnion reports, as they are only updated every 6 months typically. Number 6, fix discrepancies immediately. When you see your credit report, particularly for the first time in a while, it's quite common to find discrepancies on there. Accounts that you think are closed that remain open and look open to Equifax or TransUnion, and so therefore that's reflected negatively in your credit. I have forms to send to Equifax or TransUnion to help close these accounts, so contact me for that. Number 5, if you're unemployed or sick, make sure you notify your creditors and your income replacement insurance company. Also notify Equifax and TransUnion, and they'll add this to your report, and your creditors may be able to put you on a different payment plan if you're unemployed or sick and not able to make the same money. Number 4, secured credit cards like a Capital One card. When you're reestablishing your credit, Capital One cards work at first like a debit card, so you put money on it and use it until such times as they feel confident enough to start issuing you some credit. And our poor Mr. Nolte here had a bad day, don't you think? Anyway, moving on. Number 3, pay off outstanding loans. If you can possibly pay a loan off, please do it. And they'll notify Equifax or TransUnion with the forms that I have to notify them that you've done that. Number 2, don't go credit shopping. So don't go from bank to bank searching for a mortgage. Come to a mortgage broker like myself. I only pull your credit once, and I can go to many lenders with that. And the number 1 thing to do when repairing your credit is come to me, Gord Lemon, 416-727-3222, GoodMortgageRatesCanada.com. I can help you repair your credit. We can work through this together. Okay, looking forward to your call. Thank you very much. See you next time.